Hello everybody and welcome back to the Tech Team. Okay, so in today's video we are going to talk about this little operator right here. But before this video starts, I wanted to answer some comments and tell you about something. So first of all, I'm going to answer some of your comments. You're telling me that some of you are telling that you can't see the screen and what I am writing. So I think that these people are from mobile, so that's why they are telling me that. So what you have to do is to go to your settings in your mobile settings in the YouTube mobile settings and change the quality to 720 or to 1080. That's what you have to do and then you're good to go. Anyways, I am going to change right now so you can see it even if you have 320. And the other thing that I wanted to mention is that I'm not uploading so frequently because I am in a hotel right now. I am going to create a whole video about it and you're going to see this video. I'm really excited to create it. So this topic is more of a beginner topic, but I just found out that I haven't showed it to you, so here we go today. So when you're doing a division, you're going to see that sometimes your division is not always perfect. So you're probably, when you finish the division, you have a number, for example 2 or 10 or 20 or whatever. So if you want to find this number in programming, you have to use this operator right here. So what you need to do is, let's create first of all some variables. So let's say that num1 is equal to 10, or no, to 3, or to 4 anyways, and num2 is equal to 3. And now let's print num1 divided first of all by num2. So when we run the program, you can see that we get 1.33333. Now let's change this operator to the percent operator right here, and let's run the program again. You can see that we get 1, and that totally make sense, because if you are doing something, if you're doing this division, do this division in paper, you're going to see that you're going to get 1 after the whole division. You're not going to end the division by 0. But for example, let me say 4 and 4 and run the program. You can see that we have 0, because 4 in 4 is 1 time, so you're going to get 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So yeah, that's really it for the percent operator, and I want to tell you again that I'm really excited about the video that is coming out in the hotel that I am in right now. And yeah, with that being said, I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.